And right now at 5, a new fight regarding evidence Metro Police Officer David Bisard was drunk at the time of a deadly crash. Good evening, everyone. I'm Todd Connor.
I'm Erica Fly. Bisard's legal team has now asked the Indiana Supreme Court to weigh in on whether blood evidence can be used to prosecute drunk driving and reckless homicide charges. Our TV6 reporter Jack Reinhart has been covering the story all day. He joins us live outside our Monument Circle studio. Jack.
Well, Eric, Bisard's attorneys allege the Court of Appeals overstepped its authority by reweighing evidence already ruled upon by the trial court, that it substituted its own judgment in the case and misinterpreted prior appeals court rulings in similar cases. Bisard's petition alleges that his blood was drawn at a non-hospital facility by a person who not only lacked the legislative authority to do so, but also who failed to follow proper protocol.
Statistically, the Supreme Court accepts very few cases for transfer, but we just never know. Obviously, this is an important issue and one that's been subject to significant debate over the last 2 years, but we'll wait to hear. We feel the Court of Appeals opinion addressed the issues that we felt were most important, and we're confident we have a prevailing argument.
The Court of Appeals ruled that even though the technician lacked the proper credentials, she was qualified to draw blood and that she generally followed medical protocol.
The Court of Appeals has issued a decision, as they do in every case, and they have to. The Supreme Court's really looking to set policy for the entire state. So if a Court of Appeals opinion is particularly novel, if it conflicts with another Court of Appeals opinion, that's normally why the Supreme Court's going to take it.
Now, John Kautzman, Bisard's lead attorney, declined to comment. The Supreme Court will review the facts of the case. They could decide to hear oral arguments and then render opinion, or Erica, they could decide to decline taking the case.
So, Jack, will this move the case any closer to trial?
It all depends on the decision. If they decide to hear the case, then it could push the trial back to mid-2013, but if they decline, the prosecutor expects a trial date sometime early next year. Erica?
All right, Jack Reinhart reporting live downtown. Thank you, Jack.